Most home business ideas fail because they depend on trends. The machines in this video don't. They work because they turn simple inputs into things people already need with real local demand. No big factory, no massive budget. Today I'll walk you through 11 small machines that make money from home and explain the real startup cost and the kind of daily income that actually makes sense. Number 1. Sponge making machine. This is a classic, boring but profitable machine because sponges never stop selling. Homes, car washes, salons, hotels, and cleaning companies constantly replace them, which creates steady, repeat demand. The machine works by mixing liquid foam chemicals, pouring the mixture into molds or block forms, and allowing it to expand and cure. Once the foam is set, it's cut into standard sponge sizes and packed. A small starter setup usually costs between $3,000 and $7,000, depending on automation. The key to success is consistency, using the right chemical ratios and allowing proper curing time so the sponges don't crumble or smell. Most small producers focus on one sponge type and sell in bulk to local businesses or under private labels. Selling 200 sponges a day at 75 cents profit can bring around $150 per day. Number 2. Decorative paper shredder. This machine makes money by selling presentation, not paper. Decorative paper shredders turn plain craft or colored paper into crinkle-cut filler used in gift boxes, hampers, and e-commerce packaging. Sheets of paper are fed into the machine, where rotating blades cut them into uniform strips that protect products and make packaging look premium. Small machines typically cost $600 to $1,500, while larger models can go higher. The raw material is cheap, but the finished filler sells at a strong margin because businesses want convenience and consistency. Gift shops, florists, candle brands, and online sellers reorder regularly. Selling 200 bags a day with $4 profit per bag can generate around $120 per day, making this a simple, space-friendly home business. Number 3. Disposable slippers machine. Disposable slippers are a constant need product for hotels, hospitals, spas, and salons. The machine feeds non-woven fabric, cuts, folds, and seals it, often with ultrasonic bonding, so you get clean, consistent slippers fast. These are not cheap, usually around $28,000 to $38,000 for a reliable automatic unit. The business model is B2B, sell cartons to local hotels, clinics, and wholesalers with repeat orders. If you net 0.08 cents profit per pair and ship 3,000 pairs a day, that's a potential $240 per day. Number 4. Plastic baling machine. Plastic waste is everywhere, and this machine turns loose plastic bottles and film into dense bales that are easier to store and sell. You load the chamber, the hydraulic press compresses the plastic, and you strap the bale for transport. Small balers often cost $2,000 to $8,000 depending on size and pressure. You can charge local businesses for pickup and baling, then sell the bales to recycling buyers. If you process 300 to 600 kilograms per day and net 10 to 25 cents per kilogram after costs, that's a potential $30 to $150 per day. Number 5. Glass crusher machine. This machine turns bottles and jars into crushed cullet for recycling, construction mix, decor, or crafts. Glass goes into the hopper and gets crushed by rollers or hammers, then screened into a usable size. Small to mid machines commonly cost $1,000 to $5,000. You can sell crushed glass to recycling facilities, contractors, or even artists who use colored glass. If you sell 500 kilograms per day with 10 cents profit per kilogram, that's a potential $50 per day. Number 6. Copper wire granulator. This machine is a powerful small business tool because it separates copper from plastic insulation in wires. You feed cobles in, blades chop and granulate them, then airflow and vibrations separate heavy copper from light plastic. Entry-level units start around $3,000 and go $15,000 plus for higher capacity systems. You can buy scrap wire locally, process it, and sell clean copper granules at a higher rate than mixed cable. If you net $3 per kilogram and process 20 to 40 kilograms of copper per day, that's a potential $60 to $120 per day. Number 7. Electronic component dismantling machine. E-waste recycling is growing fast, and this machine helps remove components from circuit boards using controlled heat and vibration. Boards go onto a heated surface, solder softens, and components detach into collection trays for sorting. Small setups can cost around $1,500 to $6,000, depending on size and temperature control. You can sell recovered components, metals, and sorted scrap to specialized buyers or supply refurb shops. If you clear $80 to $200 per day from processed boards and resale value after costs, that's a realistic potential range. Number 8. Automatic composting machine. This machine converts food waste into compost faster by using mixing blades, aeration, and temperature control in a sealed chamber. You load organic waste, the machine turns and heats it to speed decomposition, and it outputs compost for gardens or farms. Small commercial-grade units often cost around $2,000 to $10,000. You can sell compost bags, offer waste pickup from cafes, or run it for a small farm and garden supply business. If you sell 40 bags a day with $2 profit each, that's a potential $80 per day. Number 9. Glass bottle cutter. Instead of crushing glass, this machine helps you upcycle bottles into cups, vases, candle holders, or planters. It scores the bottle with a cutting wheel, then controlled heat and cool separation creates a clean cut that you sand smooth. Most bottle cutters cost around $50 to $300, plus a small budget for sanding and finishing tools. You can sell finished glassware sets, custom engraved pieces, or run workshops locally. If you sell 10 finished items a day with $8 profit each, that's a potential $80 per day. Number 10. Portable rebar bender. This machine makes money by selling speed, not materials. A portable rebar bender allows construction crews to bend steel reinforcement bars on site in seconds instead of doing it manually. Builders care about finishing faster, and this machine removes one of the most time-consuming steps on a job site. Small portable benders typically cost $500 to $1,800, and the client supplies the steel, so there's no inventory to manage. Contractors, concrete workers, and renovation teams regularly hire this service because not every crew owns bending equipment. 1 or 2 short site visits a day can realistically generate $120 to $300 in daily profit, making this a simple, mobile business that works wherever construction is active. Number 11. Can sealing machine. If you want to sell food products that look professional, a can sealer is a game changer. You fill cans or containers, place the lid, and the machine crimps and seals it tight to prevent leaks and improve shelf presentation. Small semi-automatic units often run $300 to $1,500. You can use it for coffee, popcorn, nuts, powdered spices, sauces, or even ready-to-eat meal kits depending on local rules. If you sell 50 sealed units a day with $2 profit each, that's a potential $100 per day. These are 11 small machines that don't rely on trends. They work because they serve real, local demand at a scale that fits a home business. The best choice isn't the fanciest one, it's the one you can run consistently. Pick one, learn it well, and focus on steady customers. Subscribe and tell me which machine you'd start with.